friends, welcome back to the Nava Rose channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a first impressions haul. I'm so excited because I haven't done a first impressions haul since the beginning of quarantine. For those that have never seen my first impressions haul, basically what I do is I try on all the clothes in front of you, like never been opened, never been seen. That way you could get my first impression of the product, any thoughts that come into my head, and just what I initially think about it. Honestly, I'm not very quick, so I'll just blurt out whatever I'm thinking of. So you know that my review is pretty genuine. The clothes that I will be trying on today are from White Fox Boutique. So thank you to the babes over at White Fox for sponsoring this video. And as you can see, all the clothes are still in its packaging, which by the way, look at their packaging. Are you telling me that someone ties this bow every single time for every single package? My heart. They're also giving my followers a discount code of 15% off site-wide, excluding collaborations, so make sure you include my discount code at checkout. And also, since it is shopping season, even though for me, technically every season is shopping season, but for most people, holidays is when they shop the most, White Fox Boutique offers Afterpay, which is buy now and break up your payment in 4 installments with 0 interest fee. I think this is a great option if you plan to shop a lot but don't want to drop so much money all at once. And on top of all the great savings, they're also offering express worldwide shipping. I know all these things are very tempting to go shopping, and this video is probably going to entice you to shop even more because I'm going to show you a bunch of new clothes, which by the way, I also have a special giveaway announcement that I will be talking about at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the very end after this haul to find out more details on that giveaway. And now, are you ready to try on some clothes with me? Let's start this first impressions try on haul. Alright, so this is my setup for those that have never been to one of my first impression haul videos. I have my little backdrop stand right here. Not those thinking that I was gonna actually change without a backdrop and in front of the camera. Hello. So let us begin. Okay, so the first top we're gonna try is called Hidden Affection Zip Front. This one is in the size extra small. How's everyone's day so far? We got a new president, Mr. Joe Biden. The quality feels really nice. Ooh, we love a nice zipper and not those really cheap zippers. Oh my gosh, an extra small that actually fits like an extra small. Very rare, honestly. Whoa, this is cute. What I love about this is that it has 2 zippers, so you can zip it down and then open it up at the bottom, so it does this, or you could just have it like a front zip and do that. So the next item is basically the same one but in white and in long sleeve. This one is called Make It Big Long Sleeve Zip Front, and this is also an extra small as well. Thank you for being a cute top. Oh my gosh, how cute. It has little zippers on the sleeves too. Wow, these tops are really nice. I love that this has a open zip. It could bell out. I love this detail. Ooh, there's zippers everywhere. I love this. And then you could do the same thing with the black top, you know, if I can. Same thing with the black top as well. This is super cute. Okay, next top is this one-way ticket crop top, which right off the bat, I'll be honest, it looks very big. Even though this is a size extra small, it looks very flowy and big. So we'll see. Maybe this one is made for big boobs, which I absolutely do not have. So wish me luck. How does this work? I like that it has elastic everywhere, so maybe that. Oh, okay. The bottom sleeve opening is a little big. Okay, it's not that bad if you have small boobs. It's the front buttons for me. They're not like bad quality or anything, but it's just so hard to put on with long nails. It's impossible. One more button. Yay! I had my doubts at first because it did look very big when it's not on, but when it is on, it actually fits perfectly. I think the key is that it has so much elastic all along the back and also on the sleeve top and right here as well. I think that's what some brands lack, is putting enough elastic so that it fits a big range of sizes, because I'll order something that's an extra small but it'll still fit like a medium or a small even. I am a 32A, so the fact that it's able to fit my boob size, amazing. I can see a little reflection right here. It's so adorable and it makes my waist look snatched. Sorry, I'm getting so excited. Okay, so this is called the Weekend Dreaming Mini Dress in a size extra small. As far as I can see, these have 2 ruchings on both sides. So let's try this on. I don't want to take this top off. It's so cute. Goodbye, top, until we see each other again. Oh, I have to take my pants off. Oh man, do I have to? Okay, I'm just gonna save the dresses for another time. I just want to try on all the tops first. This is called the All for One Ribbed Crop in a size extra small. I basically got pretty much everything in extra small. Yay! How adorable! You know those men's ribbed tanks that you get and they come in a pack of 3? I usually get those and then I just crop it. For some reason they just don't age well. They get really gross and really ugly really quickly. So I really wanted one that was better quality and had that raw edge look, which this one does. So I really like this a lot. It's, oh, oops, I forgot to put my belt back on. So we got another white long sleeve top. This is called Closing In Crop, size extra small again. Their quality is really nice. It's not like your usual cotton basics. This has more of a synthetic, so it feels nice and cool and a little thicker than your usual long sleeve tops. I just have this weird excitement for clothes that fit perfectly because I'm pretty small, so I usually have to alter clothes. I am just loving the fact that everything is fitting perfectly. I don't have to take anything in the bag, and it's perfect for my small boobs. Like no slippage or anything. Ooh. So the next item is another long sleeve. This is called the Girl Gang long sleeve crop. Huh? How does this work? Why does it look so big? It looks so like, okay, maybe I'm like looking at it wrong. Hold on. Okay, it's one of those front tie tops and then it's supposed to like flow like this, I think. Boom. Okay, this one is definitely more breathable than the other 2 long sleeves that I've tried on so far. So you gotta ruche it. I can't show you right now or else I'll be topless. Ooh. Okay, what do you think? This is a cute little flowy top. It's definitely not as fitted as the other ones, but I don't think that's supposed to be the style anyways. Is there a nip slip? Oh wow, there is no nip slip. Oh, surprise. This is how I check to see if there's a nip slip. It seems it passed the Navaro's nip slip check, so I think we're good. Box 1 done. It's like Christmas. I love untying bows. Oh, I ordered a bunch of these sets, so I'm gonna save this till the end. Let me just do a close-up of this unboxing because it's just so satisfying. Ah, I love that. White Fox is basically like giving me a birthday and Christmas present. Okay, these are all from that. Okay, I can't right now. I ordered so many of these sets and I'm just so obsessed with them because they just look so comfortable and they came in the cutest colors. A mask? Wait, that's so cute. Can I try this on after because of my makeup? I just want to unbox everything to make sure they're all the sets. This is called the Turn It Up Ribbed Bodysuit in size extra small. It's the same nice, cool material as the zip front crop tops. So I already know it's gonna be good quality. Wow, it has this like under wire type of seam. I'll show you right when I get out. It makes my boobs look great. So this is the little seam that I was talking about. It goes under my boob. It gives some support in a way. I'm honestly not even wearing a bra or anything, but it definitely gives some support to my small chest, whatever boobage I have. It definitely gives my boobs definition. This is the first kind of top I've ever had where it had an under boob seam. It's kind of a game changer, I feel like. Just like grabbing my chest this whole video. I'm sorry. Next, I'm gonna try that ruche dress that I unboxed earlier. This is called the Weekend Dreaming Mini Dress in black, and it is an extra small. Same material as all the other ribbed pieces. It's a lot of fabric though. It's a lot of fabric. Whew. Ooh. Same great quality as all the other ribbed tops, so let's ruche this baby up. Oh, see how easy that ruching was? And you can also do like a high, like a asymmetrical, but we're not gonna do that today. Ta-da! Here is the dress. Oh, no, not the tag. Honestly, everything that I've tried on from White Fox Boutique, I don't have to alter at all, which is very rare. So now it is time to try on all the comfy sweat sets. So this is the first set. They're literally the same exact style, but in different colors because I was just so obsessed with the style. This is called the Best of Both in the color Butter, and this is in the size small medium. I guess the con about having good quality is that it's really thick. Oh, it feels so soft. I basically go in public with no pants on anyways. The shorts are called Along for the Ride. I feel so cozy. So these are the shorts. Did I put it on backwards? No. I swear there was a print. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's so soft in the inside. I feel so cozy. I have another off-white set. Ta-da. These are called Up Late sweatpants in the same color, which is butter. How cute! Yay! I feel like this is definitely more of a streetwear look. Ooh. A full body look, in case you guys want to see full body. Okay, let me get down. So this sweater is the same exact sweater that I tried on earlier. Size small medium in the color chocolate. This brown colorway isn't like a true brown. It has this faded wash to it, and I really like that. All right, I already know what the last set is, and it's the same exact one, but in blue. I'm telling you, I just love these sweaters so much. Ta-da! In blue. I love this color. It's like a nice powder sky blue. So yeah, this is the last set that I wanted to try on. It's so cozy. I might just stay in this for the rest of the day because it's so stinking cozy. I love it so much. Oh, the mask. Ah! It feels nice. It's not like your usual face masks. You know, I've been using the plain cotton one, so this is a nice change. It's so pretty. I don't want to like put my makeup on it and get it dirty. Oh, it even has like a nose wire. This is so cute. Stop. I love this. It matches my outfit. I like that it's tie-dye too because it could totally fit with any type of outfit. Can you even hear me in this mask? And that concludes my fall first impressions haul with White Fox Boutique. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will link all the items that I tried on down in the description box. Don't forget to use my discount code at checkout. And for the giveaway, I'm going to be teaming up with White Fox to give away some vouchers to 4 lucky winners. This giveaway will be held on my Instagram, which I will link down in the description as well. So go ahead and check that out so you can see all the rules and how to apply for that. Good luck to everyone that enters. If you want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at the Nava Rose, except for TikTok, which thank you all so much for 4 million. From the bottom of my heart, you all are so sweet, and I love each and every single one of you. I wish I could give 4 million hugs if that was possible. One day it'll be. Thank you all so much. I will see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.